those muffins over there. I think they're biscuits. Nyla, take one of the biscuits. Okay. That is so good. We're saving the rest of them. We're saving the rest of them for Nyla. We're saving the rest of them for last. Let's move on to the hot red stick. Nyla, get one of the flaming hot dogs. Yeah. Let's dip it in the sauce. Dip it in the sauce, Nyla. Let's dip the hot wings in the sauce. Nyla, get hot wings. Get the hot wings. We're gonna try the... Yo, I've been waiting for this. So now we're gonna try the... Now, Nyla, get some of the hot wings. Nyla, get one sushi. So good. Don't drink all your juice. Sushi. Nyla, get 3 sushis. The rest of the sushis for you. Now we're gonna try Milo Royal. Nyla, now let's keep trying the biscuit. Try what? Get the other biscuit, Nyla. Take the other biscuit. Last but not least, let's drink. Last but not least, let's drink our juice first, and then the dessert. Let's drink our juice first, and then the dessert. Drink our juice and then the dessert. Now it's time for the dessert. Let's start to eat. It's time to leave. Bye bye, guys. Wait, Nyla, you want to order more stuff or no? Or Nyla, you order. Nyla. Yeah, part 2.